Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for MHT CET. First, understand the exam pattern thoroughly, including the number of questions, marking scheme, and duration. The exam has 50 questions for physics, each carrying 1 mark with no negative marking. Next, prioritize topics based on their weightage from past papers, focusing on high-scoring areas. Then, create a structured study timetable, aiming to dedicate at least 2 hours daily, specifically to physics. This foundational approach will set you up for effective preparation. Once you have your plan, master fundamental concepts from both 11th and 12th standard textbooks. The MHT CET syllabus is based on the Maharashtra State Board curriculum, with approximately 80% from the 12th standard and 20% from the 11th standard. Do not just memorize formulas, understand their derivations and practical applications. Practice solving a wide variety of numerical problems and multiple-choice questions daily. Aim to solve at least 50 problems each day to build speed and accuracy. This consistent practice is key to solidifying your understanding. Regular practice with full-length mock tests is absolutely essential. Attempt these tests under strict timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment, which is a computer-based test. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to identify specific weak areas and conceptual gaps. Dedicate time to revisit those topics. Additionally, solve at least 10 previous year's papers to familiarize yourself with question patterns and improve your speed and accuracy significantly, as the difficulty level for physics is similar to NEET. For effective retention, create concise notes and flashcards for quick revision of all important formulas, definitions, and concepts. Regular revision of all covered topics is crucial to ensure long-term memory. In the final weeks, focus on strengthening your strong areas and making your weak areas passable. Finally, develop an effective exam-taking strategy, including time management per section, to maximize your score on the actual test day. Remember, there is no negative marking, so attempt all 50 questions in the physics section.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.